Hello students, good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning Shrestha. So this is your EVS class. So at first open your EVS book and your fourth chapter clothes we wear already started, right? And those previous days we learned about the material and different materials of different clothes, right? Different materials of different clothes. Good morning, Lisa. So tell me at first that which types of clothes we wear in summer season. Tell me everyone, which types of clothes we wear in summer season. Very good, Shrestha, Suzan, Lisa, Debashmita. Very good, that cotton clothes. And do you know that from which things we get those cotton? From which things we get those cotton? Tell me fast. Very good, Suzan, Debashmita, that from cotton plant we get the cotton, and from this cotton first anyone from those where which people works on there and they got those cotton and then they spin this and make a thread. And do you know that what is yarn? What is yarn? I write here these questions, that what is yarn? Do you know anyone? Tell me first, what is yarn? Anyone know this? What is yarn? Very good, Lisa, Shrestha. It's cotton plant. Now tell me, what is yarn? This is very short answer. Not only thread, okay, Shrestha, not only thread. The roll of thread. Roll of thread, okay, roll of thread. Here you can see in the picture, here is a rolling things and upper it there is the thread, okay, and those whole things we called yarn. Those whole things we called yarn, okay. So yes, we make thread by spinning cotton. This thread is called yarn and we take it in rolling things, that's called the yarn, okay. Okay, so the previous day we already discussed about those things, those materials, right? Those, tell me those three materials which we already learned. Tell me those three materials which we already learned. Tell me those three materials which we already learned. Tell me fast. Very good, Ayush. The name of three materials. Name of three materials. Very good, Shrestha, Debashmita, that they are Cotton, wool and silk. We already learned about it, right? Cotton, wool and silk. Cotton material, wool material and silk material. And do you know that the insect silkworm, which things they feed? The silkworm feeds which thing? Do you know? Yes, silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Yes, Debashmita. But tell me that which things they feed? Very good, Susan. No, Ashmit, Debashmita, I asked that the insect silkworm, which things they feed? Very good, Lisa, Kaushik, that mulberry leaves. They feeds on the mulberry leaves. Okay, so silkworm, the insect from which insect we got the silk, that is silkworm, and they feed the mulberry leaves. Okay, very good, Shrestha, Ashmit, Devashmita. Now open the page number 28. We already learned about those three materials, that cotton, wool and silk, right? And we already learned about those materials, those materials we made the different kinds of clothes, and we wear the different kinds of clothes in different seasons. So here we got those three materials. Now today we will learn that the next one materials that is made by man, and its name is nylon. Nylon is a material which man-made, and which is the example of man-made fiber. So nylon is the example of man-made fiber. Okay, man-made fiber. And those nylon we can, as this is the man-made fiber, man-made thread, so we can mix with cotton thread also, or we can mix with the silk thread also, because if we mix it, we get the better one, the better thread, better quality of thread. So that's why, as this is the man-made, we can mix those two types of materials equally, and we get the better one. So first one is cotton mixed with nylon thread, or silk mixed with nylon thread. We can mix cotton and silk, both two things, with nylon thread, and those are the examples of man-made fibers. Okay, yes, those materials nylon, that is man-made. That's why nylon we called man-made fibers. Okay, that these materials. So today we already learned the cotton material, wool material and silk material, and now we learned about the nylon material also. So we know about those four materials. Okay, now we have to know those people who help in making clothes, because they are on those things, that the cotton which we get from cotton plants, there some people works on that, and those we already learned about this, right, that the wool we get from those animals, and there are also some men works. So can you camera on? Current off though. So so those people who rears the wool, rears the hair of those animals, those people we call, there in those fields there are work of some people and some people works on them. So here we have to know and we should know about those people who help us in making clothes, who help us in making clothes. Who helps us in making clothes? So first one you can see at page number 28. At page number 28 you can see the farmer grows cotton plants. We already learnt about this, that about the cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants and there some people work on it as this is their job. So those people we call farmer. Those people we call farmer. So hello students, let's start again the class. So we discussed about those people who help in making clothes, right? We start these discussions about those people who help us to make clothes. So see this page number 28. We will start these discussions about those people who help in making clothes, right? Who help in making clothes. So we should know about those people, right? Because they are helpful to us, and we know that those cotton material we get from cotton plants. Cotton material we get from cotton plants. And look at the page 28. At the first picture you can see the farmer grows cotton plants. A farmer is working on cotton plants. So those people who work in the cotton plants, who help to grow those cotton plants, those we call farmer. Do you know that those people who cultivate our food grains, who cultivate those vegetables, those who works on fields, those we call the farmer, right? So here some people work, some people grows and on cotton plants. They helps to grow those cotton plants. They cultivate those cotton plants. Those people we call the farmer. And next is the shepherd, rears the sheep of wool. So can you tell me anyone that from which animals, from the name of those three animals from which we got the wool? We got the wool. name of those 3 animals from which we got the wool? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Sheep. Yes, Devoshmita, Lisa. That is very good, Ayush Pal. Sheep. So, here you told me the one animal, and that is sheep. And tell me the others too, because you already learned about this and you already learned those previous day. Very good, Kaushik, Ayush. Camel and rabbit. Camel and rabbit. So, we get wool, the hair of wool, and we get the hair of those animals like camel, rabbit and sheep. We get wool from those animals, and who pluck those hair of those animals, those man or those people we call the shepherd. We call the got wool from animal. We call them, who works on it, we call them shepherd. S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D, shepherd. So, very good, Shudeshna, Suzan, Ashmit. That's sheep, camel and rabbit. Very good. So, here some people works on it. Some people wears those hair of the sheep, hair of the camel, hair of the rabbit for making wool. So, those people who works on them, those people we call the shepherd. Okay? Those people we call the shepherd. And see the next picture. You can see a man work on a loom to make clothes. So, what is loom? Loom is the machines to make clothes, to make cotton clothes. So, those machines is made by wood. Thus, that wooden machines we call loom, and this by these machines those weavers weaves our clothes. So, which people works on the loom, which people weaves the cloth, those people we call the weaver. So, weaves clothes, which people weaves clothes, those we call the weavers. Okay. So, here also some people works on the loom, and I told you that which is loom. Loom is the wooden loom is the wooden machines to make our clothes, to make the cotton clothes, and some people weaves cloth on loom, weaves cloth on loom, and those people we call the weaver. Okay, W-E-A-V-E-R, weaver. Okay, and next, see the next picture. A man is in factory. So, those people we call the workman. Workman in factories run the machines and make the synthetic clothes. Workman in factories run the machines and make synthetic clothes. So, here which people work on factories, we call them workmen, and they made the synthetic clothes. Synthetic is also a material, and we can we say this, that the silk mixed with those nylon, those material we call the synthetic also. So, we use those synthetic clothes, and those clothes made in the factories, and who make them? The workman. The workman make them. And after this picture, you can see about the shopkeeper. You already know about the shopkeeper, right? Those shopkeeper who sells the different types of clothes. So, when we go for shopping on any shop, that time we can see those people who work work on there, and those people who show us the different types of clothes in the shop, which shows us the different types of clothes. Those people we call the shopkeeper. Those people we call the shopkeeper. Yes, very good, Ashmit, Ayush, that the shopkeeper. And next one is, the last one is, we can see a old man work on the machines, that is the stitching machines. You can see at page number 28, a old man works on these machines, those stitching machines, but those we call the tailor. But not only those old men work only on the tailor, but anyone can work on these machines, or those we call tailor, because they stitch our clothes to make our dress. Very good, Debashmita. Tailor stitch our clothes to make our dresses, because sometimes we buy those dresses from shopkeeper, but we have to stitch them also, and those tailor helps us to stitch our clothes, right? So those people we call the tailor. Very good, Debashmita, Sudeshna, Lisa. So today we already learned about those people who help in making clothes, who help us to make our clothes. And here those people works in different kinds, and their work also different. Here we already get to know that the farmer help us to grow cotton plants. The farmer helps us to grow those cotton plants in the field, and they also cultivate those cotton plants, and those people we call the farmer. And the next we learned about those people who rears the sheep for wool, who rears the hair of the sheep, hair of the camel, hair of the rabbit, and to make wool, from those hair to make wool. Those people we call the shepherd. Those people we call the shepherd. So shepherd rears wool. Shepherd rears the sheep for wool. Kaushik, and the next one is weavers. Next one is weavers. So weavers weaves cloth on a loom. Weavers which people works on the wooden machines, that's called loom, work on them and weaves our clothes. Those people we call the weavers. And here we get to know about those workmen who works in the factories and make synthetic clothes for us. So those people we call the workman. And next you know about the shopkeeper when we go for buying dresses, and the shopkeeper show those dresses to us. So those people we call shopkeeper. And last one is tailor, who stitch our clothes. Those people we call the tailor. So here we learned about those people, and already we learned about those materials, and from this chapter clothes we wear, we already learned that which dress we wear in the different season of the year, and when we wear this, and which material we wear this, right? So from this chapter, have you any problem? Yes, Lisa, very good. So now tell me if you have any problem from this chapter, because you have to read this total chapter very attentively, because we completed this, and you have to read this very attentively, and you can practice it by writing on your copybook. So if you have any problem, you can tell me, and after that you can tell me on the next class. Okay, very good everyone. So read this that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye students.